How to find a cash buyer for your wholesale deal in minutes. Guys, it's Rick Ginn. In this video, I'm going to break down 3 ways you can easily find a cash buyer. I'll show you for free as usual. So if you don't have any money, any software, we'll show you how to get through that. The second one, I'll show you how to go into X Leads, even with a basic account, to get that information faster and much easier. And then I'll show you the premium way where you can find a cash buyer nationwide in any market to get your wholesale deal sold. But before I get it, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button, share this video with someone who wants to learn about wholesaling. So guys, we're talking about cash buyers, and I would be remorse not to tell you the free way to do it. There is always a free way to do it. Why would someone do it for free? Because you're limited on money and you got more time. If you want to do it, let's break it down for free. Number one, I just combed the rental ads. This was how I originally got my cash buyers list when I started back in 2003 in wholesaling. And you just call someone with a rental ad. Why would I call a rental ad, Rick? I don't want to rent a property. No. But remember, the people that own the rentals are looking for good paying tenants. And if they own it, it means they're a landlord. Most likely they are cash buyers. And all I ask is if they're looking for any more rental properties in that neighborhood. Guys, it's that simple. And just let them know I come across deals all the time. If I come across a deal in this neighborhood, do you want me to share with you right away? What do you prefer? What are your price points? Get as much information as you can. I'm not asking them for a proof of funds. I'm just asking if I can put them on my list. Keep in mind, these people get pounded all the time with texts and stuff like that. Be personable, ask quality questions. And this is the best way to find somebody in your local market. Now, there's only so many. And what I would do is start with the Zillows. Just rip through on the rentals. I go to Facebook Marketplace. You could look at realtor.com. The sites are absolutely endless. Go on the internet, go on these forums, find out where the landlords are. Remember, landlords rent properties because they like the cash flow, they like the depreciation, they get right off their taxes, and they want more. So they can either go to a realtor and pay top dollar and pretty much not get what they want, or they can find a wholesaler like you. You have to go out and get them. They're not going to reach out to you. And you've got to understand that is one of the most effective ways, but it is slow and it's going to take time. So if you have it, get started. The sooner you build a cash buyers list, the better off you're going to be wholesaling. Because if you have cash buyers loaded and ready to go that you have a relationship with, it gives you speed to transaction. Why is that important? Because if I have to offload a property in 10, 14, 21, or 30 days, you better have cash buyers ready to go. So this is the easiest way, especially if you're doing this in your local market. Now, another way I would do it is if you're going to do this nationwide, maybe you're working with like dollarleadsclub.com, where yes, you can get leads for $1. You got to go through a lot, but I'm telling you, it's better than cold calling 12,000 people. It's a lot better than paying $150 for a PPL lead. Is once you get these, you usually get the lowest hanging fruit, which is awesome. You get pro-pays, DAX delinquencies, pre-foreclosures, you name it, code violations, it's on there. These people want to get rid of the properties. You just grab the lowest hanging fruit, but you're 1,000 miles away. What do I do? Well, it's very hard to establish a cash buyer in a market you're not familiar with. I don't have time to call Zillows. I just don't have time. I have to offload this property within 30 days. Guys, the easiest way if you do this nationwide, grab more low-hanging fruit and do JV deals. Stands for joint venture. Find people in our free wholesaling.com. It is the largest school group in all of wholesaling. Or if you're part of our M2M program, we love to do JVs in there. We all know each other well and we help each other out. So if you got a deal, in my opinion, you get a nationwide and it's a great deal. Don't be greedy. Share 50-50. Have that person that's an expert that does dispo in that market. Like I'm in Florida, all my Texas deals, I give the max. You know why? Because he sells them quick. I don't know that market. By the time I figure it out, I'm probably going to lose the deal. I'd rather just split it with them. Now, don't be cheap. One of these 80-20 people, have a 50-50 partnership, give them full control of the property the day you have it on contract and say, let's go, let's make money together. Show them what your contract is. And they'll also tell you if you have a good deal, which saves you, especially if you're a newbie wholesaler. Find reputable people that want to help you out and make money with you. And this is how you develop partners for life. Now, the third way is just simply reach out to realtors that represent cash buyers. Rick, how do I get that? Honestly, the easiest way to get that data is find a realtor friend that has access to MLS and have them pull up all the cash sales in the last 6 to 12 months in the markets that you serve that have closed without a recorded mortgage. Why is that important? Because you get the realtor's phone number, their cell phone number, you get their email, you get all their contact information, and you can see the areas they bought and the price points they they buy. Rick, I thought we don't work with realtors. We don't work with realtors on the upfront side because trying to work with a realtor on an MLS property is torture, in my opinion. Can you get a deal? You can, but you're going to have to go through thousands. And honestly, so many of these people are wearing out the realtors. I only work with realtors that bring me deals. Now, in this case, why would I work with a realtor that represents a cash buyer? On average, keep in mind, you are paying this realtor because they already have a relationship with the buyer, which is extremely valuable. Number two, they're going to give you speed. And number three, what if the realtor could look at your property and buy it sight unseen? That's right. I found out this dirty trick by going to local auctions, and there would always be 2 or 3 realtors that would show up and go, hey, they would bid on the property. Sometimes they get it, sometimes they wouldn't. And they would do all the work for their cash buyers. Honestly, it's a great service. So why don't you just go ahead and take advantage of it as a wholesaler? Rick, but I have to pay the realtor. No, your buyer is going to pay for the realtor. Here's how it works. Most realtors, if I had a property for $200,000, you can pay them a standard 2%, which is fine. But a really sharp realtor would go, Rick, what do you need to get for this property? I tell them, I need to get $200,000. The smart ones go, hey, what can I add on top of it? As long as it's not outrageous, go ahead and add your fee. Do you mind if I add $8,000 on top of it? If you can get me $200,000 with no hassle and no inspection and close it in 10 days, I'm more than happy with you earning your fee. And I do this all the time with realtors. In fact, why shouldn't they make more money for a service like that? You're going to get more than you expected. You're going to close your deal faster and get your contract sold. Why not? Guys, using realtors, they give you speed. They remove the drama from the relationship. And remember, they have the relationship with your client. There's an extreme value to it. I love this, guys. And most realtors will have no problem giving you this report. It's really not that challenging. You just got to ask 1 or 2. Now that we've talked about every way to do this for free, let's talk about if you have an X Leads account, how you can move forward. Now, Rick, wait a minute. I only have the basic account. I don't have this. You do. Let me show you where to go. So simply go under your leads tab and come up here and click filter. This is available to all X Leads users. So let's pick a city where we want to look at. We'll do Houston, and I'll click on there, and I'm gonna remove condos. I'll remove townhomes. I'll remove apartments. We'll make this super simple. How about just single family, right? Now, Houston's a big market, probably not the best one to pick, but it'll give you plenty of numbers. Now, when I first go in here, you see all these different columns. It's a lot of data. See the cash buyers, 159,000 plus, okay? Now, I can click on that, and then what I'm gonna do is the next step is I'm gonna put some additional filters because I'm not calling it 158,000. So what I like to do is the first one is I'm going to look at all properties under 250,000 because I'm going to get rid of some of the fluff properties on there. And when I go down there, if you watch, let that process for a sec, and you see the searching number, we went from 158 down to 63,000. Now, the next thing you can do, which I like to do, is narrow it down. And if you go under previous sale information, you can either scroll down to it or at the tippy top for your convenience. If I slide this over, I see previous sale. If I click that, it'll automatically bring me to that filter. And then what I can do is give me all the properties sold in the last 6 months for cash under 250,000. Now, let me let that process. My computer's a little slow today because this is a lot of data in Houston. And if you watch down there, now I'm down to 2,606. So if I really wanted to tighten it up, I can do everything in the last 90 days. You kind of get how this goes. We keep narrowing it up. So let's just see what it pulls up over the last 3 months, which is the last 90 days. And I got 1,290. So let's just click it. And you can narrow this down. And check this out. It gives you a location where all these properties are located, and you can zero in on what you want. And by the way, you can tighten up the criteria as much as you want. And you can click on any of these properties, cash buyer, all their information is going to be there. Everybody understand that. So let's go back and do this another way. And let me add one more technique that is really going to kind of blow your mind on how you can do this. So if you want to go over to the Dispo tab, if you have the Pro or the X plan, is now I can designate basically on flips. Let's pick a smaller one. Let's do Mobile, Alabama. No point in doing the same market over and over. So there's our market at Mobile, Alabama. And now if I clicked on my Dispo tab because I have the X plan or I have the Pro plan, and you can distinguish between a flipper and a landlord. So how do I do that? Just click the filters button, flipper, landlord, note holder, and private. So for simplicity in this video, because we're trying to find cash buyers fast, is maybe I have a rental property that I need to get sold, or if I go to do a flipper, that's a fix and flip, I can search on there. And then if I go in Mobile, Alabama, I can go in here and figure out where all the flippers are congregating. And you'll see all the colors on that. You can click on there. You can click on the type of property. And then these are all your cash buyers, guys. You click this, it'll tell me how many flips they did. You can get their contact phone number, everything you ever want. And here's the beauty of this, guys. You don't have to vet these leads. I don't have to ask for a proof of funds. I'm just trying to see if they're actively looking for more properties in the area. And why do I do this? Because this gives me the greatest speed. I have no cash buyers in Mobile, Alabama, but now I've just got a super long list of tons of buyers. Let's do this one more way to do this. Let me show you here. So let's pick Charleston, South Carolina. I'm just picking random cities. I know it's in the South, but so if I click on this market here, and let's just say I'm looking for a regular property. So guys, say I'm looking at a particular property. So let me scroll through here. I moved over to Jacksonville, Florida. I'm just trying to bounce around to show you the effectiveness of this. Let's find one with a picture. Okay, so here's one in Jacksonville. Say I'm actively looking at this property. I'm not going to do an active listing. Let's do this one. Absentee owner, high equity. Say that's a lead I have, and say I'm in California. What if we can click this button right here? Maybe I got the X plan, and I can do the buyer match AI. Check this out. You can go inside X Leads and find the fastest buyer for that property, and it's going to give you a roadmap of where all the deals are done. And then here's the best part is it ranks your buyers from 1 to whatever you want to do. Now, obviously, D.R. Horton, we know is a builder, and we're not going to do that, but you can scroll through and do the rankings on all this, and you can sort these out however you want. You can put additional filters on it. And guys, there's 92 leads here. So what I can do is I can like click this one. Here's a flipper. I go in here, all their information's there. I can look at this person's owned one property. I know exactly where it is. I can figure out how far it is from the property that I'm flipping, and I can run my ARVs, everything. I can run comps, and this property's upside down. It's a little bit strange, but all their information, their phone numbers in here. Guys, you can use the buyer match AI, which will give you the fastest. If I have a deal in like Jacksonville and I'm 3,000 miles away, I can click a buyer match AI inside X Leads, and I can find all the buyers in that area. I can find out how much they paid for, their average profit on a deal. I can tell if they're a flipper or a landlord. Why? Guys, this gives you speed. You need speed if you do this nationwide. If you use Dollar Leads or Diamond Leads Club, you're going to get the lowest hanging fruit. Here's the catch. I got to figure out how to dispo it. Now, you need to understand the fundamentals of how to dispo, but when you do this nationwide, do I expect you to have JV partners and everybody built in every city, every county? It's physically impossible. So by using X Leads to find cash buyers in minutes, I've shown you the absolute free way. I've shown how anyone who has a basic X Leads account can find any cash buyer, a little bit more work. And then if you have the premium accounts inside X Leads, the Pro plan or the X plan, you can go in and have a dispo tab and do a buyer match, have AI find the right buyer, rank them for you. Guys, it saves a ton of time. You get their phone number, you can call, you can do an email, you can do an SMS text blast. Guys, how are you finding cash buyers? The key to it is speed, and with everybody gravitating towards nationwide wholesaling, using the X Leads platform will give you the greatest speed, will make it super convenient, and honestly, you're not going to give up an arm and a leg to do it. It's a very reasonable price. Keep in mind, inside X Leads, you get all your market lists. You get up to 65,000 leads a month with the X plan. You get the AI conversation built up to do all your follow-ups because you're going to need a tremendous amount of volume. You have to have follow-up. The days of doing it manually are absolutely over. Remember, X Leads is committed to wholesaling, no other business platform. That's why it's so niched out and perfect for you. And keep in mind, you can do all your e-signing, which is included in there, all your emailing, all your phone conversations, all inside X Leads, guys. Why wouldn't you find your cash buyers through X Leads, guys? Jump in there. I've given everybody an option that's watched this video how you can find cash buyers in minutes. The rest is up to you, guys. Check it out, xleads.com. Let me know in the comments what you're using to find your cash buyers. I still use some of the old techniques as a wholesaler. It's just who I am. But guys, go out, form relationships. Don't treat them like garbage, but provide them quality products. Remember, your cash buyers are your actual customers. Your wholesale deals, the contract is the product. Don't forget it. Obviously, we have to cater to find motivated sellers. We specialize in marketing, but we have to do dispo. Let me know how you're doing in the comments. If you got value with this video, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, share this video if someone you think would benefit from it. As usual, I appreciate your time. This is Rick Ginn. I'll see you in the next video.